f of x is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x whenever x is greater than or equal to 0. Now e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x whenever x is less than 0, which is equal to 0. Let us see the graph, then you get an idea about it. The graph looks like this. I'll zoom it out. You can see the graph. So what is happening here? Whenever f of x is equal to 0, whenever x is less than 0. It means f of minus 1 is also 0, f of minus 2 is also 0, therefore it is many 1. Many 1. Okay. Why it is into? You can observe f of x belongs to positive real numbers. Another thing we observe, limit extending to infinity, this can be written as 1 minus e to the power minus 2x upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x will tend to 1. So what we observe is f of x is less than equal to 0, less than 1. So therefore it is many 1 into all negative real numbers are left unmapped. In which case, if we consider real numbers to real numbers. Suppose we want to make onto f of real numbers 2. If I make close interval 0, 1, then it becomes onto mapping. Then it becomes onto mapping. If it is written like this, from real numbers to close interval 0 and open interval 1, then it becomes onto mapping. I just zoom it and show it to you. This is the graph.